This week we're going to focus entirely on the supply side of soybean production, specifically looking at South America as we're in the midst of a weather market. We're going to look at weather trends in Brazil, Argentina, as well as production trends for the entire South American country. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We've moved into mid-December here and we're right in the midst of a weather market. Let's get right to it by focusing on South America. Let's look at where those soybeans are produced in Brazil. Brazil now is the largest soybean producing country in the world. A lot of those states, Mato Grosso, Goiás, Bahia, Minas Gerais, Paraná, Rio Grande do Sul, Mato Grosso do Sul, around 85% of those beans in Brazil are produced in those states. Let's take a look at the short-term weather trends for Brazil. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Now we're looking here at those beans, particularly in northern areas of Brazil, are setting pods. And so we're looking at cooler temperatures in those northern areas of Brazil. And that's an ideal situation, particularly as we move on now and look at precip. Look at that precip in northern areas of Brazil. Above normal precip across many of those key areas. Now as we move north to south, it does dry out a bit, particularly as you get down in that far southern state of Rio Grande do Sul. Overall now, precip over the next 2 weeks, you can see those light green areas mean above normal precip. Again, beans setting pods. As we move south, though, a bit drier, so it's not a confirmed crop yet, but a crop that's in very good shape. Let's shift gears now and look at where soybeans are produced in Argentina. Argentina, 4 key provinces here of Buenos Aires, Córdoba, Santa Fe, and Santiago del Estero. Around 85% of those beans in Argentina in those 4 provinces. Let's take a look at the short-term weather trends for Argentina. Now, a much different picture we're looking at for Argentina. Temperatures, warm. Now, a key point before I go any further, we're looking at beans that are not in that advanced stage of development as they are in Brazil. About a third, maybe around 40% of the beans are planted. It's going to be the last half of December and the first half of January. However, the trends are what's important, and the market is taking note of that. Now look at how dry it is in southern parts of Argentina. Quantifying that here, our final weather slide, look at all that red area there. We're looking at below to much below normal precip. Again, this would be much more important if it was the middle of January because those beans would be setting pods at that time. But the market is very well aware of the trend to hot and dry weather, and that's why we're seeing support in prices. Let's now turn our focus to total South American soybean production. What we did with this slide was look at the primary soybean producing countries in South America, and the black line reflects U.S. production. You can see that for the last 20 years, combined production in South America has far exceeded the production in the U.S. Now what we want to do is highlight 2017. Why are we highlighting 2017? That was the year that Argentina had a drought. You can see a significant drop in production that year. Here's what we did in this next slide. We took 2022B, which would be a sharp drop in Argentina production from present levels. And we said that even in that situation, South American share would drop from 56% to 52%. But here's the key message as we wrap things up. Even if Argentina did see a catastrophic yield equal to 2017, the combined production in South America would still be up 13% compared to last year and a record. So again, a lot can happen, of course, moving forward, demand and supply, but be very careful because with Brazil forecast to raise a record crop, that could offset a reduction in Argentina. Let's wrap things up this week looking briefly at trends in November soybean futures. Now, November of 22 expired, of course, last month. We're looking now at November of 23, trading near $13.95 a bushel. Key point, this is $3.50 above the 5-year average for this time of year, and we still got 2.5 months to go before crop insurance period is set. We strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to defend your balance sheet. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.